The Rhode Island Army National Guard Combined Support Maintenance Shop is a state-of-the-art facility where soldiers in each maintenance career field maintains and repairs mission-critical equipment.
Staff Sergeant Zachary Shumway, I'm the wage leader here at CSMS. What that entails is I control the workflow on the floor, so I make sure the guys are always busy, they have their parts, they have a workable job order, they have something to do. Where we're in right now, this is the automotive wing. You fix all the trucks, anything the state owns, it comes here. We help out with services also. We have calibration, they do all the TMDE, torque wrenches, anything that needs to be calibrated, they do it there. Our electronics section, they do all your night vision, radios, anything electronics-wise, they fix. We have our small arms repair. We fix the 777s here. We have allied trades also. Allied trades, your carpenters, your welders, your machinists, that type of thing.
Proper maintenance is an essential aspect of mission success, and soldiers dedicated to the upkeep of weapons and equipment ensure continued readiness for all missions that may arise. One of the most important is the ability to transport soldiers and equipment safely and effectively anywhere around the state.
Soldier readiness is key, but unit readiness as a whole. So like if you're an FSC, if you're an MP unit, well, you can't go play MP if you don't have trucks to get there. Everything has to be 1020 standard and ready to roll so that your unit is 100% mission capable. Well, if you don't maintain your trucks, your radios, all of this stuff other than the Joes is what we have to deal with. I mean, obviously, if you're here, you enjoy maintenance, so it's nice to be able to figure something out, especially if someone else couldn't. If they've already looked at it, it comes to you and you're like, hey, I got it, I figured it out,
The automotive section of CSMS has the ability to literally tear down an entire vehicle and rebuild it from the ground up.
And just overall, a lot of these guys, they just enjoy working on and fixing things. A lot of these guys do it as a hobby. They have race cars or boats or motorcycles. So it's things that we like to do on the outside to begin with. And then once you get up where I get to start training people, it's nice to, you get a new guy in who, he'd hold up a hammer and say it's a screwdriver and, give me a year, and the kid's ripping transmissions and putting transmissions in a truck. That also gives you a little bit of, all right, I got him somewhere.
Because of the quality of the training and equipment housed within CSMS, the Rhode Island National Guard has partnered with local vocational and technical schools to provide their students a chance to learn and enhance their experience by having the opportunity to train alongside soldiers in matching technical fields.
They're from the Providence Career Technical Academy. It's a Motec school. These guys, they're in the automotive. They're learning how to fix cars, work on cars, and they have to do an internship every year and do so many hours. So recruiting worked it with the school where they come here and we pair them up with our mechanics, and they have the opportunity to come work on the bigger equipment. Like, they never get to work on this big stuff, the diesel, especially military equipment. And so they're here just learning and getting some good life experience. This is the first time we've seen this particular school, but usually once or twice a year we do have people come through. This is the first time that they've come through where they're here for a few days. Usually it's just a one-day kind of a gig, 1 or 2 day kind of a thing. But no, it's a great opportunity for the kids, and we're happy to have them here.
Reporting from East Greenwich, Rhode Island, I'm Army Staff Sergeant Mike Iacona.